In front of me is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon one more time. You can also launch devices settings and scroll down to access the location section. Then click on it and tap on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!